Good morning children. Today start the class for 5th standard maths term 2. I hope you everyone understand the concept for the complementary angle. Complementary angle is a 90 degree. Today we will learn for supplementary angle. Supplementary angle is having for 180 degree. Straight line is called for the supplementary angle. Shall I move now? Exercise 1.1. First one we will learn for complementary angle. So this one given for 45 degree angle. So you find out the another one angle. One angle is 45. Another one angle you subtract 90 minus 45. So 45 is the complementary angle. Already you studied this. Today we will learn for write the measure of supplementary angle of the following angles. Here given for 80 degree, 95, 110, 135, 150. So supplementary angle here given for the example sum in your textbook. Sum of supplementary angle when the sum of the measures of two angle is 180. The pair of angle are called the supplementary angle. So here given for the two angle measurement 50, 130. So this two angle added and get for 180. So this is called for the supplementary angle. Here given for 80 angle measurement, then 100. So 80 plus 100 you get for 180. Here given for 80 only. First one sum given for 80 only. So here you think first one 80 angle measurement is given to you. So another one angle easy to find out for 100. 100 plus 80 equal to 180. So 80 is given the question. So find out the answer for 100 is a supplementary angle. Write in your classwork supplementary angle definition. When the sum of the measure of two angle is 180, the pair of angle are called supplementary angle. First one sum. Write the measure of the supplementary angle of the following angles. First sum 80 degree. So supplementary angle is 180. So 180 subtract 80. You get the answer 100. Degree is a supplementary angle. 100 degree is a supplementary angle. Then second one sum 95. One angle measurement is given to you. So you find out the supplementary angle of. So 180 subtract 95. So you get for 85. 85 is the supplementary angle. Do the subtraction. Then you get for 85. You are grown up children. Now you studied for 5th standard. So you practice yourself for subtraction. 110 is the third sum. So supplementary angle for 180 subtract 110. So you get the answer now 70. 70 is the supplementary angle. The next one 135. So 180 subtract 135 equal to 45. 45 is the supplementary angle. The next one 150. Last sum supplementary angle of. So 180 subtract 150. So you get the answer is 30. 30 is the supplementary angle. Okay children. This is the first unit for find out the angles, complementary angle and supplementary angle. Then next one exercise fractal. Look here children. Identify the figure. Here given for 4 kinds of figures. So you didn't identify for the ending point. So this picture is saying for infinitely complex. Meaning you can zoom. You look the picture. So this circling the pattern. Circle pattern is given to you. The circle pattern is continuously repeating. So not find out the end point. So this is called for the similar, self-similarity. This is saying here self-similarity. Here fractal definition. A fractal is a never-ending pattern. A fractal is a never-ending pattern that repeat itself at different scales. This property is called self-similarity. Given for the example, activity you do it and practice and get for the fractal. First one, only one triangle. So you draw another one triangle inside this. Then again you draw for triangle. So this is get for the fractal example. You are also very easy to make this one kind of fractals. So this is for the fractal. Fractal is saying for self-similarity. You write the definition only in your classwork. Fractal. A fractal is a never-ending pattern that repeat itself at a different scale. This property is called self-similarity. Okay, children. This is the first unit you completed now. Shall I move now second unit, numbers. Unit 2, numbers. Here used to introduce for square numbers. Already you studied for this tables, children, up to 10 table thoroughly. This is help to you do for the square numbers. Already you learned the tables. So here I ask some questions. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 rows, 2 columns. So 2 power 2. So write 2 cross 2 equal to 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. How to get? 3 rows, 3 columns. So write for 3 power 2. So you get for 3 cross 3, totally 9. Same method here to apply. 16. 4 rows, 4 columns. 4 power 2. 4 multiply 4 equal to 16. Again 25. 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 5 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column. So 5 multiply 5, 25. Then again 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows, 6 columns. So totally get for 36. So this is called for square number. Here to identify the image is given to you. How to get this numbers. So here use the table. Introduction of square. This is the method to use to do the sums. So here write the definition. A square number is multiplied by the same number. A square number is multiplied by the same number. Here use the 2. So again use for 2 multiply 2. 3. 3 multiply 3. 4. 4 multiply 4. 5. 5 multiply 5. 6. 6 multiply 6. So this is saying a same number multiplied. So a square number is multiplied by the same number. That one is called for the square number. Here to write. Ready, children? Already you learned the tables. So I ask some questions. 1 square, 2 square. This one how to call this? 1 square. 2 square. 3 square. 4 square. 5 square. 6 square. 7 square. 8 square. 9 square. 10 square. That's why write the number same 2 times. 1, 2. 2 times. That's one is saying for square number. That's why it's called here square number. 2 power 2. 2 square. Okay, children? Write in your classwork. Unit 2 numbers. First one Roman letter 2.1 introduction of square number. Definition. A square number is multiplied by the same number. So here used the number 1 power 2. So 1 you write 2 times. 1 multiply 1. 2 write for 2 times. 2 multiply 2. 3 write 2 times. 3 write 2 times. 3 multiply 3. So you find out the answer now, children. Ready to say the answer? Ones are already you studied the tables. You ready to say now? 1 ones are 1. 2 twos are 4. 3 threes are 9. 4 fours are 16. 5 fives are 25. 6 6 are 36. 7 sevens are 49. 8 eights are 64. 9 nines are 81. 10 tens are 100. So this one help to learn square number, this tabular column. This one help to do the sum for exercise number 2.1, 2.2 fully. Then I show the activity. Take the 4 sheet. Then draw the boxes. 10 rows and 10 columns. Then you find out now square number. Write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns. Then 10 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows. Then easy to find out the table. This one help to learn for this unit to do the sums easy way. Okay children, first you do it this activity. Right now 1 ones are 1. 2 ones are 2. 3 ones are 3. 4 ones are 4. 5 ones are 5. 6 ones are 6. 7 ones are 7. 8 ones are 8. 9 ones are 9. 10 ones are 10. The same method here also use now. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 six are 6. 1 sevens are 7. 1 eights are 8. 1 nines are 9. 1 tens are 10. Then up to 10 table you completed this. Then easy to find out the square value. Okay. Same number. 1 ones are 1. Then again 2 twos are, yes, 4. Then next one 3 threes are 9. Same number only you take it here. Then 4 fours are 16. This is the diagonal line. Only you get the square numbers. So you first remember and keep the mind all the numbers. Then only help to do the sums for this exercise. First number 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. This is the square numbers. Once again repeat you. 1 ones are 1. 2 twos are 4. 3 threes are 9. 4 fours are 16. 5 fives are 25. 6 6 are 36. 7 sevens are 49. 8 eights are 64. 9 nines are 81. 10 tens are 100. You keep with your mind children. Then whenever I ask the question, you ready to say the answer. Easy to help understand this concept. Okay children. Shall I move now exercise number 2.1? This tabular column only help to you do the sums. First one, answer the following. The square number of 2 is. Already you studied. A square number of 2 is. How to write this number 2? Yes, 2 power 2. 2 multiplied 2 equal to 4. This is the answer. So, you are asking the question for answer the following. Exercise number 2.1. The square number of 2. Already you studied 2 table. 2 table. 2 twos are 4. So this is answer 2 power 2. Once again say the table children. 1 ones are 1. 2 twos are 4. 3 threes are 9. 4 fours are 16. 5 fives are 25. 6 6 are 36. 7 sevens are 49. 8 eights are 64. 9 nines are 81. 10 tens are 100. The square number of 2 is written the way for 2 power 2. So you write now 2 multiplied 2 equal to 4. The same method, the square number of 5 is 5 power 2. So write for 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. Then here given the boxes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 rows, 3 columns. So this box is equal to for 3 square. This number is saying here square number 3 power 2. The next one, which of the following number is square number? Already you studied that square number values 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Here given the numbers for 23, 54, 36, 45. So find out these numbers. Which one is here? 23 is not here. 54 is not here. 36, yes, 36 is here. This is the answer 36. Okay children. The next one. What is the next square number of 49? 49 you already studied. 7 7s are 49. The next one number 8 8s are 64. 64 is here. Find out. 64. Yes, here. So this is the answer. 64 is the answer. What is the next square number of 49? 64. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. Okay children. Thank you.